Well, howdy there, ladies and gentlemen. So I just have launched a new product that has been commented so many times. Over the last month or two, so many of you guys suggested I do something like this. You're very interested in this. And I've kind of thought about it and I was like, yeah, that's kind of interesting. And finally, someone left another comment about 2 or 3 days ago and I was like, I just need to do this once and for all. I just need to do this. So it's called In Jeremy's Stock Market Brain. It is a private membership group that you can join if you would like. I'm going to kind of discuss everything, why you'd even want to join this private stock market group and all things like that. Just first, for reference, this changes nothing with the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel stays the exact same. And by the way, this membership group, it's only for people that are really interested in the stock market. If you're on this channel for business and passive income and things like that, this membership group's not going to be the right one for you. So I just want to share that. Changes nothing with the YouTube channel or anything like that. This is just something extra out there that I know a lot of people are interested in because I get these comments all the time. So it's called In Jeremy's Stock Market Brain. And basically, the reason I named it that is it's the closest thing to actually like being in my eyeballs and seeing everything I see. So there's 5 main reasons why you'd even want to be part of this membership group. Here they are. So every week I'm going to post a video, at least one video on this membership group that's going to discuss my current investments. It's going to discuss any trades I made that week, any buys or sells, or if I bought any options out there, call options, put options, anything. I'm going to discuss that. I probably won't share the amounts I do with that, but I will absolutely share what I bought or sold or anything like that. And I'm also going to share any news stories in regards to my companies that I want to show with you guys and discuss those. So if there's a news story that came out about something, you know, I can discuss that in that video as well. So that's reason number 1 why you'd be part of this. You are the most up-to-date possible on my current investments. Any buys or sells are going to be told on there. Any calls or puts I'm buying or selling on there will be talked about. Any trades I make will be talked about, guys. So that's reason number 1 why you'd want to be part of this group. Reason number 2 why you'd want to be part of this group is any conference calls, 10Ks, 10Qs, investor presentations I listened to or read that week, I will suggest them to you guys for you to read. I'll either link them out or I'll put the link there in the description, or I'll tell you guys how to get to that part or whatnot of what I want you guys to listen to. If there's something really important that I thought, man, this investor presentation of company ABC, that was a really good investor presentation. I think people need to go check this out. Hey, I read an annual report of such and such company this week. You guys should really go take a look at this. This is a really good annual report. This might be something you want to look into or something. So anything like that, I'm going to share with you guys and kind of tell you where to go and give you guys the links for that type of stuff. The third one is if there is something in the macro environment I am paying close attention to, I'll draw your attention to it. So if there's something that week that I saw with numbers or something, I'm like, man, this is troubling, the such and such number. I'm going to discuss that with you guys always in that video every single week and kind of discuss that. If there's something that's really big came out that I want to pay attention to, I might even post an extra video that week in regards to that subject. The fourth reason why you want to be part of this group is I'm going to draw your attention to any stocks that I'm currently looking into buying and researching at that moment. So you guys are going to have the potential now to know about a stock I may be buying before I even actually buy that stock. So when I'm researching into stocks, I'm going to be sharing in those weekly videos every week about what stocks I'm buying, what stocks I'm really looking into. Hey, I'm tracking this stock. This stock is starting to get close to an entry point for me or something like that. I'm going to discuss all that information in those videos. So it's pretty cool that you guys will probably know about stocks I want to buy before I even actually ever put $1 into them, which is pretty neat. And the fifth thing is I'm going to also post the 4 stocks I'm buying and 3 stocks I'm watching, the 2 most popular videos on the channel. I'm going to post those on this membership site the day before I actually do on YouTube. So you'll have exclusive access before anybody else does because you're a member to actually see those videos before anybody else sees them, which is kind of cool because those videos get like 40,000, 50,000 views a month. So the fact that you get to see those before anybody else gets to see them out there, guys, that's probably a pretty cool thing that I just kind of threw in there that I thought would be neat. So I hope you guys absolutely love this membership group. I know a lot of you guys are going to join based upon how many comments I got for something like this. You know, and a lot of you guys who maybe aren't sure about it, it just really comes down to if you want to know exactly what I'm looking into, exactly what companies I'm looking into, exactly what trades I'm making, buys or sells. You know, if I'm buying call options in a company or selling call options, or if I'm buying put options, if anything like that. If you want to know exactly what I'm doing all the time, that's the place to be. Other than that, guys, you know, if you don't really care about that type of stuff, then it's probably not the place for you. So it's definitely for stock market people who are really into the stock market and really want to know exactly what I'm doing, what moves I'm making, what I'm looking into all the time, guys. So I hope you absolutely enjoy that membership group. It is linked there in the description. And you know what, guys? Have a great day.